It's almost been one full day since I've posted my first ever video. So here is what's next. For my 2026 trading year, I set two main goals. The first was to start a channel and post my first ever video. And I've already done that. The second is to start sharing market outlooks and educational content along with it. Today, I'm writing down my 2026 goals and officially starting that journey. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing really great. And it's almost going to be 24 hours since I posted my first video for my 2026 goals. I also planned this weekly outlook thing and also more educational stuff. And I'll share my lessons along with my journey, because it will benefit you. And also I'll record and be consistent with my trading. I'll be soon making a Discord or an Instagram page where you can directly connect with me and we can chit chat, and all of the traders will be combined together in a place where we can discuss our ideas. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and make notes along the video, and do let me know in the comments what are your favorite pairs for the week, what do you think about the markets, and I am open for any kind of suggestions you guys might suggest me. That's all. Thank you for watching. So we are on our system and I have analyzed all the pairs and I've selected my top 5 pairs for this week. Do let me know your favorite pairs and let's start with the analysis. So the first pair I have selected is Euro USD. It has been bullish since a long period of time, and as you can see, the weekly the structure is bullish overall. As you can see, it has broken these highs and it's continue forming the bullish structure. On the daily, it's also bullish. We are not yet under these lows, so it's considered bullish. And on the 4-hour, I hope to see a reaction from this area of interest. I've made this area of interest on the daily. As you can see, it has got more than 3 touches overall. So if I go on to the 4-hour, the thing is we want to see something like this. If we can have something like this, then I might be interested to take a trade from this retest and target something like this. So it's a very good opportunity on Euro USD. It's a great setup. It's an A+ setup, and I hope to catch it this upcoming week. The next pair we have on our watch list is USD CHF. Let's start from the weekly. So the weekly structure is bearish on this pair. As you can see, it has been making lower lows since here, and we can make something like this out of it. And if we go on to the daily, the structure is bearish too. As you can see here, we are not yet above these highs, so it's considered bearish. And until we break above this, it is bearish for now. So we can hope to see something like this continuing of this structure and going down. So it's an A setup and it's looking very good. I want to catch a trade in the upcoming week, so we can take a first trade on our account, and I can review that in some of the other videos. Let it be win or a loss, I don't care, but I'll document it and show it to you guys. So on the 4-hour, let's go into the 4-hour. Let me remove this. So on the 4-hour, if you can see, we have this 50 EMA, and if market breaks this, all the 3 time frames will be in sync: the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour. So it will be an A+ setup. So as you can see, it is a low here, and if we break below this low, it will be transitioning into the bearish market on the 4-hour, and we can take a trade on the retest of this break. So it's looking very nice to me. Let's see what it gives us in next week. The next pair we will be going through is Euro NZD. It is also a very nice pair. I've been monitoring it for the past 2-3 weeks. It was formulating this setup a long ago. It was something here when I mistook Offline something. I don't remember the exact trade. So let's go on to the weekly. On weekly we are bullish, as you can see. We have made this bullish structure overall, and we can target these highs overall. But if we are on the daily, we can target these highs. So I'll go on to the daily and show you guys. We are bullish on the daily. As you can see, the market broke these highs here, and we transitioned from bearish to bullish market. And I hope to see a reaction here and continue of this trend. So overall, this pair is very nice. If you go onto the 4-hour, you'll also notice this 50 EMA is residing just below that area, which can be a very well added confluence for this trade. So if the market can come here, it will still be bullish here. If the market can come here, give us entry signal, then we can take a trade here, and mostly I'll target this or maybe somewhere above. Mainly we'll target this, and that will be all. I'll take you on to the next pair, which is USD CAD. Also do let me know if you guys want a larger breakdown. Like, I'll filter out through all the pairs. I'll show you guys the pairs. You can see all the pairs. So if you want, I can make a longer video, but to keep it short, I have decided that I'll analyze it myself and later show you guys the top 5 pairs that I'm interested for the week. Do let me know how you guys want it. So for USD CAD, I'll break it down. For USD CAD, the daily is bearish. Let's see the weekly. The weekly is also bearish, which is very, very nice. But which is very, very nice. If you see the daily, we have a very well oriented area of interest, and if you go to the 4-hour, you can see that if the market dips below this area, you can take a trade on the retest and target these flows here. So the upcoming week is looking very, very good. I hope we'll take our first trade of the funded account in the upcoming week, because there are many added confluence for this. We are under the 50 EMA. Also, if you'll have a look at daily, we are below the previous structure. So it's like break and retest and then continuation. So it's looking very good to me, and we'll take this trade as soon as it breaks the structure. All of these setups can also form on Monday itself, so I'll decide to choose between the top 2 pairs that I'll take a trade. Next pair is CAD CHF. It is a tricky one because it's a bit consolidating right now, I guess. It has been consolidating since so many days. So I guess it was due to December month. But let's see if we get a proper price action in January. Because if you look at the weekly, we are bullish. Okay. If you look at the daily, we are bullish. And if you will go to the 4-hour, we are bearish. So currently I want to see something of a more dip in the price, and then if you can get a break of structure and then a retest, then I can look for an entry signal. It has also got more confluences, such as we are above the 50 EMA, we are respecting the structure and all of that, but still I'll keep it as the last, the 5th pair of my watch list. We'll have a look into this later on. I'll go on to the next pair, which is for the midweek, Euro CHF. It is not a great setup, but it is something stable. So on the weekly, if you can see, we are still bearish. Okay. So if you see, we have broken this structure here. Okay. We are actually bullish. Sorry for the mistake, guys. So the 2 time frames which are in sync is the daily and the 4-hour. So the daily is in sync. You can see this bearish structure, and if we'll go on to the 4-hour, it is bearish. So I hope to see a retest here, and if on the low time frame such as 1 hour or 30 minutes, if I get a break of structure or a better rejection candles, bearish engulfing, then I'll decide to take a trade or not. or it can be in the midweek also. So this was the whole breakdown of all the pairs that I've selected or I'm interested in. Do let me know your favorite pairs, and I've made the Instagram channel. Do check it out, and I'll upload if I'm taking a trade or not there on. So please follow me, and you can see everything there too. Peace.